How did Bali come under colonial power? Bali resisted European influence for hundreds of years. The Europeans arrived in the area around 1511 when the Portuguese took over Malacca, part of the Malay Peninsula near the Malacca Strait. The age of exploration had begun. The Europeans were determined to control the maritime Silk Road and weren't afraid to overpower the indigenous people to do it. The Portuguese were the first Europeans to arrive in Bali, and the Dutch soon followed. However, Europeans tended to focus on areas other than Indonesia and Bali until the spice wars began between the Portuguese and the Dutch over the Maluku Spice Islands in eastern Indonesia. Fought between the late 16th century and the mid-17th century, the spice wars eventually led to a Dutch victory and Dutch control of Indonesia until the 20th century. Bali saw little interaction or trade with the Europeans even after the Dutch took over Indonesia. The island did not have the natural resources the Europeans sought, like spices, metals, and silk. The Dutch also decided the people of Bali were problematic because they pushed back against the